Welcome back, book buddies. It's Soundbook Sunday and we have a Halloween sound book. It's called Don't Tickle the Ghosts. You might make it go woo. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. And when we're done with our book, I've got some stickers from our scrapbook and we're going to make some decorations. How cool. But it's time to read. Let's go. Don't tickle the ghost. It might go woo. Go tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Look at that. There's a little mouse and a pumpkin and a cat and our ghost friend. Don't tickle the witch. You might make her cackle. Look at that nice hat. Let's see. Oh no, she's laughing at us. And there's the witch. And there's a little mouse again. And then the cat. What a silly witch. Don't tickle the werewolf. You might make it howl. Oh, let's tickle his belly. Wowzers! Ooh! And there's the little mouse and the cat and some mushrooms and the owl saying, ooh! Ow! Don't tickle the bat. You might make it squeak. Oh, there's a ladybird and there's some nice fireflies. Oh, let's tickle his belly. Did you hear him flapping? Flap, 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 flap. Ooh. Oh no! No, look what you've done. It's all saying, shh, too noisy. Oh, wow! That sounds like a great Halloween party with ghosts and witches cackling and bats and werewolves. Let's try it again. Wowzers! And that poor cat is going, shh, too noisy, shh. Let's see if we can do those sounds one more time. We've got our ghost. We have our werewolf. We have our bat. We have everybody together. Oh, wow, that's so cool. What a brilliant Halloween book. Now that we're done with our book, I think we should make some cool Halloween decorations. So I think we should make the bat, and I think we should make the ghost. How cool. So I'm going to pop this string on so we can hang them up, but I'm thinking so we can keep them, we should maybe put them in our scrapbook so we can keep them forever. So let's put on our string, one, and let's put on our other string, pop it in the hole, and then I'll give it a little tie, 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 tie. There we go. And then we've got some paper. So I think we're going to glue, get my glue. There we go. I'm going to put some glue on our bat so we can pop our paper on it. Stick, 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 stick. So we want a nice black bat and a white ghost. Push our paper on. Push, 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 stick, stick, stick. And then There's our nice bat. Now you get your adult to help you. I don't want you using scissors and then going snip and maybe snipping your fingers. Oh no! We're going to cut around our bat. And then when we get our paper on, we can put some stickers on to make a little face on our bat. Done one side. Let's do his wings. There we go. We're almost done. Be very careful, we can't rush it. Oh no, the ghost is watching us make our lovely Halloween decorations. Be nice and gentle. There's no rush. Not with arts and crafts. We have to be nice and gentle and take our time. There we go. Look at our bat. How brilliant. So let's get our cool stickers that came with. So we've got our ghost and our bat. So the ghost, I want him to be going like, ooh. So there's one eye, two eyes, there's a little mouth, and so what, I'm going to give him some pink cheeks, like that, little ghost, little rosy cheeks. Our ghost can be going, ooh. And for our bat, I'm going to give him some teeth and some big googly eyes. Oh, how amazing, doesn't he look? Oh, look at that. Isn't he fantastic? Let's find our bat sound. Flap, 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 flap. Oh, he's brilliant. Now, we can hang them up, but I think we'll put them in our scrapbook. So today I'm going to use our burger scrapbook. I'm going to pop that to the side. And I've got some nice Halloween paper. I'm going to glue that on. It's just from a trick-or-treat bag. So if you have anything in the house lying around, remember you can put it in your scrapbook. Pop it in to make it look Halloweeny. Now I'm just going to get a pen. I'm going to write, "Don't tickle the ghost," so we know what book we read when we look at our scrapbook. Don't tickle the ghost. Don't tickle the ghost. And let's pop in our decorations, because I'm going to keep them forever because I think they look brilliant. And when I look at them, they'll remind me of the book buddies. So we'll pop in our ghost. And we'll pop in our bat. Lots of glue, lots of sticky, sticky glue. Look at that. Oh, don't they look like great buddies? And I have some stickers to put in too. Some ghost stickers. These look like very funny ghosts because they got bow ties. There's our ghost. There's our bat. This ghost is going trick-or-treating. Trick or treat. And there's a nice little pumpkin. This ghost is also going trick-or-treating. Trick or treat, says the ghost. I'd like some sweeties, some candy. There's some candy for that ghost. Because I like your costume, those silly glasses. That ghost got a lollipop. And this one is saying, as we know, mouth's going boo. Go pop in. There's a little crow. And a spider. Let's pop him at the very top because he's dangling in. Oh, another spider. Let's put him up here. We have some candy corn and some candy, some sweeties. And we'll give the bat some sweeties. He's going trick-or-treating with his little spider friend. A nice star. Look at that. Isn't that just a brilliant page? It's very Halloweeny. My favourite is, I do like this ghost. He's going boo! And this one's going trick or treat. Thank you very much for joining me again today. If you'd like to... Thank you very much for joining me again today. If you enjoyed this book, I'll leave a link below of where you can get it. Do come back so we can read more spooky books together. Please like and subscribe. Bye!